Hi guys, so we have my 2019 Carrier Comfort air conditioner running when it's around 79 degrees. On someday we're supposed to have a high of 90, and I believe it's on Friday. Next Friday, that's when we're going to Hershey, PA. It's literally gonna be 90 degrees. It's gonna feel like 91. It's gonna be super hot. Right now it feels like, to me it feels like 80, but it feels like 74. It's 77, feels like 74. I'd rather get a video of my Carrier Comfort air conditioner. Guys, look at this, it's leaking. It's leaking because water. Running for a while. It's the blink camera that just detected motion. Look at all that water at the bottom. It's nice and cold. It's outdoor temperature. 2019, 2.5 times. I'm gonna record this video up to like a few minutes, like 10 minutes. 10 minutes each. 10 minutes each. A video of the air conditioner. This video has been recording for 1 minute 35 seconds now. Okay, it's got an energy pad. I forgot to tell you that. Yeah, I don't know if I told it's cold and scroll. The motor is pretty warm. Pretty warm. Pretty warm. Here's the other air conditioner that's being built. Me and my dad built this. Got a cool and scroll. It's the fan blades. 2 fan blades. As you know, look guys, can you tell it needs oil? Because it stops weird. It doesn't stop like the normal air conditioners do. Fan blades don't spin this way on an air conditioner. They spin this way. That's what I felt some air coming out. Yeah. This has got a ProTech motor. ProTech. It's got a ProTech motor. And look at our wonderful garden. It's tomato sweet 100, tomato grape, King Arthur peppers, pepper King Arthur, lunchbox peppers, and pepper California Wonder. You can see some babies right there. And that one is probably going to be like orange or something. And here's this one right here. The leaf is floating in the air because of a cobweb. Very clean over here, guys. Checking out the air conditioner. Anybody who's over here. Yeah, I guess it's blowing out hot air over here. It's blowing the coldest air out of here over here. Because you know why? Because the line says it's cold. Now I can tell you what these wires are for. Okay. Those wires from the compressor are going up into here and then going into this thing for the motor. So the motor and the compressor start at the same time. And then, see that little hole right there? They go back in here. That's where the capacitor is, and all the other things like the black thingy. What's it called? I forgot what it was called. It's called. It's called one of these things. I got out of it an old air conditioner. This is a fuse. Great parts to make a real air conditioner. So, I guess, yeah guys. Hope you liked watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys.